out here, Phoenix, Arizona, running with the local CAM-T group for the SCCA National Tour event. My first time running National Tour, TJ's first time running National Tour, but we're in Freddie's Banana Hammock K5. Alright, here's the Phoenix SCCA National Tour CAM-T lineup. We're gonna go ahead and put the T in truck today, or the truck in T. Me and TJ co-driving. Phoenix group runs pretty deep. Strangely enough, they've only got about a third of the cars running that they normally do, and it's still this deep. Alright, lap one, SCCA National Tour Phoenix. First time running a national event. We get 3 tries, 3 laps only. Oh my gosh, here we go. That is not as quick as where I want to be, but for a first lap, that's not bad. Slow is definitely fast, calm, composed. This course does not like aggression. TJ and I both have 1 lap each. We both played it pretty cautious, trying to chase a little bit of an oversteer. Currently sitting in first in CAM-T, but that is going to change. I actually, Matt was ahead in the Monte Carlo, but got a cone, so he's already been a few tenths faster already. So we just got to play it cautious, try to make sure the rear end is happy, and see if we can get after it. 58 is current numbers. I think we're gonna have to be in bottom 57s by the end of the 3rd lap. So see what we can do. All right, lap number 2. Feel a little bit more comfortable. We got to get in the 57s here. was a 57.7. And a little sideways in some areas, not bad. TJ getting ready to run second lap here, SCCA National Tour in Phoenix. He's been in this lap before. What do you think, man?
We're just taking it lap by lap, trying to do our best. I want to thank my sponsors. I got Drive Auto Collision. We got TCI. I mean, we're out here just trying to put on a good show for everybody. Got our green light. Drove it too hard.
Alright, lap number 3. Sitting in first with that 57.7, but I'm thinking I gotta go bottom 57s right now. Maybe even a 56. But that was wheeling this damn thing. Wow, she's a handful right now. Dang. All right, going out for number 3, brother. What's the game plan?
Put something together so I don't look so bad all the time. You're killing it. Set the bar too high.
Yeah, just treat it like a drift car now. We played nice earlier.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes.
Right on, brother. Have a good time. All right, it's day 2 out here, SCCA National Tour in Phoenix. We are sitting in first by about 9/10. Good place to be considering that the tail end was a little happy yesterday. Just trying to keep that a little bit calm. So we're gonna go out here in this first session. We've got 3 laps to get this done. See if we can put together and keep our lead. All right, lap 1, day 2. Gotta keep it clean again today. those were clean. So currently sitting in first as well today, with a little bit of time, maybe about 6/10 as of right now, but we got to try for them 54s. I was going to try to trace a Cobra out of the Cam S class, but he just knocked down a 53, so that might be untouchable. But I'm going to see if we can get a 54 on this final lap.
I feel like this is just a thread of needle situation in this big ass thing. Man. All right, here we go. Lap 3. Let's go.
It was pretty awesome. You know, we had a truck that we struggled at the beginning on, you know, testing tune, but you know, you made it happen. Made the adjustable situation work all day Friday morning, and you know, we're here, and you know, you made it happen, making us proud again.
He's being humble. He has the first truck in his SCCA history to win a Cam National Tour event.
I mean, that's badass. It's an accomplishment. Thank you.
Oh, so we'll talk. Just drop down one. Oh, sure. So I'm sorry. In the Nova, taking the last trophy spot in P4 was actually John Tyndall. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. All right. So, honorary trophy, I guess. Honorary. So P3 was Daniel Hipskin, I believe. P3, that's right. Okay, that's P4. Yes, not honorary trophy. That is a very real P3 spot, again, well earned. So then in P2 in the Monte Carlo was Matthew Leone. There it is. Good job, man. All right, so now. All right, so moving into P1 in that Chevy Blazer in that truck. You could not miss it on course. That was from Yucaipa, California, Mr. Jason Wilcox. And Drive Auto and TCI Engineering. Yes, that deserves a shoe. Absolutely, putting a truck at the top.
Oh yeah.
There's water right there.
Turn around.
How's this gonna work? He's gonna pour it in your face.